Does traffic to topics, entities, improve Maps ranking? This was a monumental shift for me when I was learning about running traffic. Anything that has value, Google has assigned an entity ID, right? That could be images, videos, audio. Now, what you'll notice inside of your Google business profiles, if you take a look here, see how I'm just highlighting this? This is what is called a topic inside of the reviews. Now, there's topics inside of your posts, your updates, your events, everything. But every single thing that matters to a business has already been assigned an entity ID. To make this very simple for you, you get the entity ID, whether it's a topic, whether it's a place, whether it's a thing, and any location, any topic, anything that's of value to the client, you append it to their actual Google URL. When you do this at scale, they start to rank so much higher. And this is why understanding this part right here, you can't just run clicks, you have to also run impressions, but not all impressions are the same. You have to run entity impressions. If it has not been giving an entity ID, it doesn't matter. So this is how we did it. Is after 3 weeks, we were able to have a position change from 20 to 12 in Maps. We got a small little jump. And whatever's up at the top, these are the actual companies. Pressure Washing, Long Island, their site was getting. So when we got them on 6.7 to 8.7, we were able to take them from 7s and 8s to 2s. And if we just put in Pressure Washing, Long Island, searching from Long Island, search Pressure Washing, they're still ranking. There should be another one here. Pressure Washing Company in Surrey, same exact thing. I'm running CTR plus impressions. Here's another one. Emergency Towing Riverside, these are the names of the companies. Again, boom, same results. Does AI content affect Google paid ad score? Here's why this is valuable, all right? To be able to scale up your Google ads, be able to create your advertising, create A/B testing, to be able to put them out, take them back, test them at a fast rate, the faster you go, the more your time is worth. Right? So you want to be able to move as fast as you can. When it comes to advertising, I needed to know, hey, will my ad score be affected by using AI to write everything? So I had to test it because we're selling ads, right? I need to know without a shadow of a doubt. So there's that. What we were doing is we were creating all the unique descriptions using AI, pure AI, no editing. Even on the site, like look at, even this is AI. We ran the ads. I had a perfect score. I was able to run the ads. There's no issue. So what did this tell me? Can I use AI to create my descriptions? Can I use it to write my adverts? And can I put it onto my site and not be affecting my actual score? Yes, you can. Does UR, so UR is link power, does it pass through internal links? I can't stress this enough to you. One of the biggest secrets, I gave you 2 so far with link building. Like everybody thinks that they're gonna keep buying links. If you master internal link flow and you master tiered link building, I can save more money. Anybody could win by dumping money at something. I need to get there fast, cheap, and safe. If you can meet that, you're the real winner. Plus, you want to have more for yourself. So what we wanted to learn here with this particular test is does UR, so that's the page rank, not the overall domain authority. I don't care about that. I care about each page. And why that's more valuable than DR is because Google ranks pages, not sites. I only care about the page. So in any case, here's what I'm teaching you here. Does UR, link power, pass through internal links? We ran a test, and I learned a lot from this. So if you take a look at this, let me find a good URL that I could point to. See how the URL is set up? I didn't give you the actual URL, but it's website.com/location/services/supporting. We created the supporting article and internally linked it to 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. You guys with me? Yes? Okay. So here's what we learned. This is amazing. I only built links to the supporting page. You guys see the structure, right? Location, service, supporting. When I built links only to the supporting page, I was able to increase the UR all the way up the line. So every single page got a lift, and I could prove it here. Every page got a lift as far as UR is concerned. And of course, this page got the UR bump. Does internal link power pass UR? Yes, it does. Why is that valuable? Here's the client that I applied to. Here's a client. This is the Lighthouse Man. I think he's lighthouseman.com. This gentleman, super cool dude. He's in Pennsylvania. We did A tag optimization inside of the body. There's a dude, he just put out a video, and he said that the head and the foot of the page for your internal links don't count. Don't believe him. Anything that shows up inside of the rendered DOM, the rendered document object model, that's what Google's indexing. That's what they're looking at. So with that being said, the A tags that are inside the body, we put A tags here, image, that's an A tag. What's an A tag, Chris? An A tag is an internal link. So we jacked up the internal links by image and head in the body. We jacked up the internal links. This is the head, okay? The head, we utilize primary key terms, okay? In the footer, I want you to note, all of the variations, all of the match words, all of the entities, the co-occurring key phrases, all of the words that matter that make my client money, I put them in here. I stacked them. Why? Because Google counts everything that's on the page. They can't read, but they can count. So what you do is you put these inside of here. All of the crap that matters. Head, foot, body. Internally linking everything that makes the client money. I asked him, I said, client, where does your dollars come from? It comes from these pages, Chris. So that's what we're trying to point internal link flow to. Why do we want to point internal link flow to pages? Because external link flow or external votes is saying, hey, look how wonderful this page is. Internal link flow is saying, hey, Google, look how important this page is. I'll give you another piece of information since I have a little bit of time. As far as weighting is concerned, I've tested this too. The head and the foot are not as valuable as the body, but they're still being counted. Anything that shows up in the rendered DOM matters, okay? With that being said, the body is most important. The next most important is the head, and lastly is going to be the foot. The sidebar counts as body. I want to point this out as far as variations, matchwords, co-occurring key phrases. See this? Ornaments, lighthouses, garden lighthouses, lights, sheds, lighthouse, lighthouses. I also did garden, and I did yard, and I did outdoor. Every variation. This is very, very important. Now, why do I want to get all those variations on the page? Let me point this out. A page ranks for more than one keyword. Now, if I search for lighthouse yard ornament, or lighthouse yard ornaments, or outdoor yard ornaments, or garden lawn ornaments, right? Google's going to show the same results. That means I can add all of those keywords to the page. Very important. So in any case, here's what we did for him. Take a look. He was getting 1.4 just by A tag optimization on the homepage. Doubled the clicks. Impressions, doubled. Just A tags, no links, no content. All I did was jack up the A tags, use variations, entities, and co-occurring key phrases. This is internal linking, the tiered linking. This will change everything for you.